Alright guys, so real quick, I want to take a minute and show you guys how to use chopsticks. I showed my wife and kids yesterday because my son's been wanting to use chopsticks with his Chinese food, and it's something that's just always come natural to me. I can't explain it. I never actually learned properly from anyone, but a lot of people have a hard time using chopsticks, so I thought I'd go ahead and share with you guys how to use them. So what you want to do is make sure these two fingers, your first and middle finger, are bent, and your thumb tip is placed right on the top chopstick. Okay, now the bottom chopstick is going to rest right on the edge of the tip of your ring finger and the inside crease of your thumb. Okay, and the bottom one does not move at all, just the top one. Now, this morning it took me a little bit to get back in the hang of it, even though I did it quite a bit last night. It does take some getting used to actually be able to do it without even thinking about it. As you can see, now the bottom one does have a tendency to slide around, so you just gotta nudge it back. But when using these chopsticks, Catholics may have a little bit easier time doing it than non-Catholics because you use the same three fingers that represent the Holy Trinity when doing the sign of the cross to hold the top one. Okay, so just like that. Okay, and then the bottom one just slides right in, just like that. Now, like I said, it does take a little bit of finesse, but it's relatively easy, and you got to get it just right, just like that. So like I said, the top one is the only one that really moves. The bottom one doesn't move at all, except it does kind of slide down with the movement of your hand a little bit every once in a while. And it is very easy for your hand to cramp up because of it, the way you're holding it. So I hope this helps you guys learn how to use chopsticks. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below.